something exciting has just been delivered. So no, it's got worms.
It's got worms inside?
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna leave that right
That's why
there.
I'm just saying, like, just carry
It's got
it.
worms inside?
Yeah.
They could have fallen on my shoulder.
Like it's
You
right.
outside?
No, right
You
here.
outside?
No, I want to.
Want the worms outside?
No, right here.
You want me to put the worms inside your house?
They're not gonna eat you. They're just worms. They help
I'm
you.
not about eating, I'm just concerned.
They're your friends.
Worms are food, not friends.
Okay, there. That's perfect.
It's fish that are friends, not food.
So excited. It's finally here. My little worm farm. So excited about this. We got worms! I'm actually so excited. Like, seriously. I've been waiting for this for all my life. I'm super excited. Like, seriously. I've been wanting worms for a very long time. I've watched like tons of videos on worms. And yeah. But first I have to have my sandwich. Today we are going to unbox this lovely worm compost bin. And yeah, I'm kind of anxious to see what the worms, how the worms are doing in there. So, and I'm not actually fully sure about how to set it up, so I have to kind of refer to like a video unless if the instructions are perfect in there. So let's see. That's so funny. Oh my god, there was a bit of pressure there when I opened this. It kind of smells a little damp when I open this thing, so this is what's inside. It's definitely damp, like it's like, this is kind of moist right now. So, some cubes, more cubes. I think these are the worms. And this is just some, I don't know, I guess everything. Another cube, measuring vessel, scoop. Okay, so these are not the worms. And these are the worms. These are the worms. Another tray. More trays. And then the bottom tray. Okay, so I was trying to put the legs on this thing. And this is my dilemma. So it's like the hole is in the center, which technically makes sense. However, on the thing, there's a hole on the side of the, so technically I thought this is how it's supposed to look like, right? But I don't know how I'm supposed to put a hole there. I think I'm supposed to drill it in or something like that. And this doesn't even make sense. Like, look at this one. Like, this has 2 holes. And this one doesn't even, these holes don't even go through the plastic. They don't go through the plastic, like neither of them do. So I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do. Like if I'm doing something wrong, because the instructions sure as hell don't say that. Yeah, I'm just gonna ask Tap to take a look. Or Morgan, to see if they can help me figure this out. And then in the meantime, I think I'm gonna soak these blocks because they do need to expand. I don't know how many of these I need, but I know I need them. So I'm just gonna do that in the meantime. Okay, so Morgan, so we can't all be in it. That's better. So basically Morgan helped me to do it. It was, stop it. What's wrong with you?
Me?
Like, dude, you're so weird. Just be normal.
I am normal.
The camera is rolling.
Yeah, okay.
Just be normal, okay? Just
Yeah.
be normal. Baby, just be normal, please.
I'm normal.
Just be normal. Anyway, so this guy helped me to use logic. I ended up I ended up putting the screw through the said hole.
So that's where you made it enter?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, so yeah, I basically just put it in there like that, and then I just screwed it in. But I can't do it while I'm holding the camera, of course. But it's obvious what it means, right? Just screw it in. Okay, so now we put the cocoa core in there. It's all, so it was that block before, this block, and it expanded to quite a lot. And so now we're just gonna put it in the bin. Just put this drain on. Okay. This feels weird. I feel like this should be upside down. Why would it not be like this?
So you can pull it out.
No, I get it, but the strings should have been on the other side. Or I thought. Oh no, that makes more sense. Okay. Filter. And we're just gonna use one bin. Kind of wet. I feel like I should do this first. And then okay, so this is what I ended up doing for the bedding. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to mix up the cocoa core and the cardboard shreds together, so I don't know. So I just mixed the bottom, and then the top I just left it like that. So we'll see how this first version goes. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'll drop the worms a little later. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the worms. Okay. I'm so nervous. Damn, how tight do they have to be though? I mean, I guess they don't want them to escape, but damn. I don't know if it's in a bag. Should I just go?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not in a bag. I don't see any worms. What if they
Well,
did?
yeah, why hold it in two hands? You hold it with one hand. What if you freak out and you fling it in two directions?
I don't see any worms.
I don't
Oh,
see any
there's
worms.
some. But like, they seem dead. Oh no, there's some which are alive.
Are they alive? Are they
Like,
tiny?
this one is alive. I feel like they didn't really give me worms. I was expecting more than this. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
This is not enough worms. Oh, I guess there's some right here. They're all clumped up in here, but
Maybe you just
they look like they're just 5 of them. Like, look at that. It's just a small little...
Oh no, that's like a couple. It's like 10. It's like 10 worms there.
Yeah, but
That's
I
a
was
whole bunch.
expecting more. Like,
That seems like a lot of worms. Maybe they're just young. Look, they look tiny. Yeah, they look tiny. Those aren't big worms. Let them untangle. Let them detangle because they're kind of tangled, you know. So let them. What if you accidentally like slice them up? You know what I'm saying? Like with the spoon, because you're digging pretty like.
no, I'm like kind of seeing if there's worms here or
But
there.
yeah, but what I'm saying is, what if you,
No, I'm not gonna touch them anymore. I just want
you
to.
feel like you say that, you say I'm not gonna touch them anymore. You touch the giant clump of worms.
Okay. There. See, it's
Okay.
only these ones.
The giant clump of worms. Oh, the giant clump of worms. Ugh. The giant clump of worms. Ugh.
Okay, well, I guess we'll let them rehabilitate to their new home. I'm trying to get them to go underneath the soil, so that's why I'm leaving it open for a bit. This is so underwhelming. Like, I was expecting a whole bunch of worms. And there are definitely some there. But the only good thing is that I know they'll multiply. So the experience was quite underwhelming, but I am hoping that the worms, I don't know, get used to their new home, and then I can hopefully get them to multiply when I start feeding them, because obviously I think worms are smart enough to know that they need to increase their population or need to regulate themselves based on food, right? So I'm definitely going to be feeding them quite a bit. So I need them to, yeah, to get ready. I have to read up on how long I have to keep them unfed. I think it might be a week or 2 weeks, but I'm not too sure. Because technically they have food in the cardboard and stuff like that, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna just wait and see what happens. This little thing, which is the vessel that they wrapped in the package, I guess I'm gonna put it right here, so that when I'm collecting the liquid or the tea, worm tea, then I can just keep it in there. So yeah, still kind of clumped right here, so I want them to kind of, I don't know, go somewhere else. And then I'll close it after. And yeah, so I'm only using one tray right now, so just the top tray there. And then once that's done, then I'll, I guess, you know, pile the second one, etc., etc. So for now, just this. And oh, and I recognize that there's like a heating vent there, so I closed it off, because either way the kitchen doesn't really need heating anyway, so I'm just gonna keep that closed so that the temperature is comfortable for them. And also we don't want to cook the worms and we don't want to cook our garbage anyway, so works out.